on the globe. We can see only half of it at a time. The other half can be seen by rotating the globe around a rod that passes through two extreme points. This rod represents the Earth's axis and the extreme points represent the Earth's poles. The point at the top of the globe is called the North Pole and the point at the bottom is called the South Pole. There are two sets of lines drawn on the surface of the globe. The full circles that run from east to west are called the lines of latitude. The semicircles that run from one pole to another in a north-south direction are called the lines of longitude. The lines of latitudes and longitudes cross each other at right angles. Focus. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the Earth. Lines of latitude or parallels. The lines of latitude are parallel to each other. Hence, they are also called the parallels. The parallels are placed at equal distances and they neither touch nor cut each other. We find a circle that runs exactly halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. It is the largest parallel. It is called the Equator. It divides the globe into two equal parts. The northern half is called the Northern Hemisphere. The southern half is called the Southern Hemisphere. Parallels are used to measure the distance or position of a place which lies north or south of the equator. This distance is called latitude. We take the equator as the reference line. We say it is at 0° latitude. The North Pole is at 90° north latitude and the South Pole is at 90° south latitude. The other parallels are marked between 0° and 90°. Focus. The world's largest globe is called the Unisphere. It was built for the World's Fair held in New York in the year 1964. It is 37 meters in diameter and weighs 408,000 kg. Special parallels. There are 4 special parallels or latitudes apart from the equator and the poles. They are as follows. 1. The Tropic of Cancer is at 23.5 degrees north. 2. The Tropic of Capricorn is at 23.5 degrees south. 3. The Arctic Circle is at 66.5 degrees north. 4. The Antarctic Circle is at 66.5 degrees south. The special parallels divide the Earth from north to south into various heat zones. Focus. The lowest known point on Earth is called Challenger Deep. It is located in the Pacific Ocean near Guam in the Philippine Sea at the end of the Mariana Trench. Lines of longitude or meridians. The lines of longitude are also called the meridians. All the meridians meet at the poles, crossing the parallels. They are all equal in length. The meridian which passes through the Greenwich Observatory at Greenwich in England has been recognized as the prime meridian since 1884 by all the countries of the world. It is numbered 0 degrees. All other meridians are numbered east or west of the prime meridian up to 180 degrees. The distance measured east or west of the prime meridian is called longitude. The 180-degree meridian passes through the Pacific Ocean. Focus. The first ocean to be crossed by an airplane and by a ship was the Atlantic Ocean. How to locate places. The framework on the globe formed by the parallels and meridians are called a grid. This grid helps us to locate places on the globe. If we have to locate a place on the globe, we must know its parallel and meridian. Suppose a place lies at about 35 degrees north and 40 degrees east. How will we locate it? We have to see the crossing point of the parallel of 35 degrees north of the equator and the meridian of 40 degrees east of the prime meridian. This point will help us to locate the place. Focus. Europe is the only